Alright guys, I can't be the only one with this sound. Too much slop in this joint down here. Let's take this cover off and see what's going on. We have found our sound. It's this washer right here. At idle, that's all you hear. And if you put your finger here, it's not the pin down low, it's up top. So all we're gonna do now is take our metric O-ring set. I'll put an Amazon link in here. This is a must-have. Metric, standard right here. You have to have O-ring sets if you work on stuff. I think that this O-ring right here, which is a R-05, is the ticket for the thickness. Because if you look right here, there's actually not a lot of room. I'm gonna put it underneath the washer, but this fits right on top. Really nice. Nice and loose, because we don't want it to be like crazy tight. So let's get this in and here, let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so there's your O-ring. Now we will put our washer on and our clip. Already better. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Much better. So we isolated this. Now it's vibrating. Hard to tell. The vibration in that video. And because there's no isolator in here, it's all solid mounted, okay? Because it has to be. I guess it gives you the good feel, shift knob. When I lift up, I'm still getting a rattle. And I think it's on this arm right here. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, so I can see that these two plates are barely contacting this base plate. So I don't think it's this at all. I actually think the noise is coming from right here. This bracket right here, I think it's just vibrating on this plate down here. Your nut and bolt, the washer, is sandwiched to the bottom of the shaft, so this can't vibrate, but it can slap against the bottom of this plate right here. So what I'm gonna do is take this washer, put it on, and I think that is gonna solve the extra vibration, or the different sound that we're having now. The washer was clearly the loudest, but now I think this bracket right here itself is making noise. So let's get this on. Let me see what size this is. So this one right here, it was. It's an R11. Let's get it on. After looking at it further, I'm actually gonna go with this larger O-ring because it's gonna actually ride up on the weld a little bit. And this will make a better cushion. This is it's an R16, you can't see in here. Yeah, R-16. That's the O-ring I'm gonna use. So it fits loose around the shaft itself, but I want it to be for this reason. Watch how when it's compressed. Okay, I'm pushing down on it, and that's going to hold that washer solid on this base plate right here. See, but it needs some form of a damper to keep it from vibrating, but it can't be too tight. It has to be able to move a hair because you don't want the loader handle sticking when you move it around. So let's get all this put back together, see how it feels, and then we'll turn it on. Okay, fully back together, give it a little jiggle. Pretty much silent, and the real test is at idle. you have it. Finally, a quiet loader handle. This thing's been driving me absolutely nuts at idle. It would just vibrate like crazy. So all it takes is 2 O-rings and maybe 15 minutes of time. It's nice and quiet again, and it should last for a good while. I really think it will. If it doesn't, you know what to do. Replace an O-ring again, it'll be quiet. So if this video helps, smash that like button. I always appreciate it, and I'll see y'all next time.